Get up and do it. Get up,
I locked myself.
No one's ready.
Get you some.
His ass slid a little.
Oh, we got ramming speed. That's better.
How they work on this stuff? What do you think so far there, Kelly?
Pretty cool. I got you going through.
Did you?
Yeah. Didn't blow another tire.
This is waterproof. This I don't know about. But there's a towel in there to wipe it off with.
I had to.
Yeah, I
Oh.
got even a little. Show it to her.
You got wet.
Yeah, we get the windows down and the heat's on, blowing it on the floor. It's like cameras are staying cool. It's a little wetter than it was last time. You gonna go play?
Watch out.
All right, listen, you get the cameras ready. I got a recovery rope, so I'm gonna shut the truck down. Todd, I'm just gonna get over the side.
Yeah.
Oh, he's gonna try to splash me. Now we got Big Orange. Gonna go have some more fun.
More running. Well, here goes. Big Orange. Well, let's see how the ram does.
Is this good, Doug, or do I need to go farther? Don't freak out, Doug. I'm gonna run by you a bit when you're going after you go through, so don't freak out. Oh, almost got stuck. You're hitting the lock button?
Yeah, I was hitting the wrong button. Woo! Now you get to see it from in here. That's where he went in. That's not where he go in.
No, he went. That's where he did the second time or the third time. First time he came in down here, you can see the tracks.
Yeah, I know. That's where I went in. Watch this. Oh, I'm gonna hit this thing going.